There's another case of changing @inc. When you write a project that has both a script or more scripts and some modules, and you want to make sure that the script is always loading the right module, then what you need is a relative @inc, so relative path to the @inc, to the library. The way many people lay out their code is that they have in some directory, they have a script subdirectory in which there is a Perl script, or there are the Perl scripts, and the lib directory next to it, in which there is the name of the subdirectory of a module, and then the name of the module. So loading, for example, my :module would require the following thing. What you need is that this the @inc will be always relative to where the script is. So no matter where you put the whole structure, it will always work. And it's also very good because you might want to develop on the same machine in separate directories different versions of the project, and you want to make sure that they don't interfere and that they actually load the module from here and not from an installed version, for example. So what you need is to change the @inc to point here, the first entry. And there are two examples here. One of them is using findBin. FindBin bin, so this is the code that you put in your script. FindBin bin is a scalar variable that holds the path to the directory where your binary lives. So binary meaning the script that's actually currently running. So that points to the directory, and then you can use the file spec cat file that would put together that directory, two columns going backwards, the parent directory, and then lib, which is this directory. So you have the script subdirectory here in this file bin, and then you go up directory and lib directory. So that's one of the ways. The other way is to use the relative to absolute on the $0. $0 is always holding the path to the current script. So, but it might be a relative path. So this creates a relative path, an absolute path, and then now you have an absolute path to the script that's running, to this script that's currently running. And then in this case we use the dir name of file base name to fetch the directory name, and then again we go up one directory and the lib directory. Actually, instead of having these two dots, we could call the dir name again in this case, or here once, and then just attach to it the lib subdirectory. Both versions can be very helpful when you are writing an application.